What is Pareto chart in quality management? Pareto chart is one of the 7 basic tools of quality which helps to determine the most frequent defects, complaints, or any other factor. It is a visual tool widely used by professionals to analyze data sets related to a specific problem or an issue. 7 basic tools of quality. The 7 basic tools of quality involve a group of visual and graphical techniques that can be used to solve problems or issues related to quality. Fishbone diagram, check sheet, control chart, histogram, Pareto chart, scatter diagram, stratification. An Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto developed this quality tool, hence it was named Pareto chart after him. Typically, Pareto chart involves vertical bars descending from left to right in a line that represents a cumulative curve. The bar that has the highest value falls into the left and the bar that has the lowest value falls into the right. The vertical axis on the left side represents the frequency of occurrence, costs or another measurement related to the survey. The vertical axis on the right side represents the cumulative percentages of the values. How to make a Pareto chart in 7 steps. Here are the steps. Decide the categories to be represented on the chart. Decide the type of measurement for the vertical axis on the left. Specify the time period for the chart. Collect data for each category or use the existing data. Specify the scale for measurements and organize the vertical axis on the left by using this scale. Draw the vertical bars for each category and place the highest value on the left and the lowest value on the right. Draw the cumulative curve by calculating the percentages. The most important category is represented by the biggest bar, which is on the left. The least important category is symbolized by the smallest bar, which is on the right. There is a cumulative percentage line in the Pareto chart which helps to analyze the effect of each category. Pareto chart example. Assume that you are a quality control manager of a concrete plant and you tested the strength of all the concrete samples. The concrete strength must be 30 megapascal and you categorize the results like that. 60 samples have critical strength while the strength of 5 samples are not critical because they are around 30 megapascal. In order to draw the cumulative percentage line, you calculated the cumulative values as shown in the table. The total number of samples is 150 so that the percentage of critical samples are 40. By using the category strength and the number of samples tested, you can draw the Pareto chart. Benefits of Pareto analysis. It is an effective tool for communication with stakeholders visually. Enhances organizational efficiency. Helps to determine the most significant causes of a problem. Enhances problem-solving skills. It is a visual presentation tool. It can be created easily with limited statistical knowledge. Improves decision-making within the organization. Limitations of Pareto analysis. The Pareto analysis relies on past records. If the past records are not correctly stored, the result of Pareto analysis may be deceptive. It does not define the root cause of a problem. It demonstrates the frequency of occurrence. An additional tool like a fishbone diagram must be used to define the root cause. Sometimes one Pareto analysis cannot be enough. For multiple causes and problems, multiple Pareto charts may be required.